Hello students, welcome to today's session. This is Shweta Roy, your English Master Teacher at Vedantu. Hope all of you are doing super amazing. And today we are here with a super amazing session that is the 100 dresses. Right? It's a beautiful story with a lot of message for all of us. A lot of moral lessons for all of us, right? Which we are sure, if we inculcate in our lives, it will be definitely leading to the progress of our society, of our nation. So this is a very important chapter, guys. A beautiful story, right? So let us begin with the session. Today we will be discussing some of the major concepts which will include the theme, the message, and of course the symbols, right? So these are the three topics only that we will be discussing, but these three are very important topics. If you understand all the three topics, you can answer any question that you get, right? Any value based question, right? So all the value based questions, they are mostly related to the theme, the title, etc, etc. So if you understand today's session, 5 marks question guaranteed, 5 marks answers guaranteed, right? So let us begin with the session, guys, with a beautiful quote. By having a forgiving attitude, you can change your life and the lives of the people who you care about most. So this is a beautiful quote, guys, which is telling us to have a forgiving nature, because you know that to err is human, but to forgive is divine. So if you forgive, you become the larger person with a larger heart, right? And definitely a keen to divinity. So here we can see who is the person who has this forgiving nature, guys. Please tell me in the chat box. Yes, it is Wanda, right? So let us see how, now this is taking us to the message of the poem, right? So story. Let us consider the message of the story. What is the message that the story conveys, right? So definitely we see that Wanda rises above all the petty consideration of all the, bullying, harassment, everything, making fun of her. She rises, she's exalted. How? Because she, in spite of facing all these bullies, she still shows her love. She shows that she is the large hearted person, and she donates her 100 drawings to her classmates. And this is definitely this shows this causes embarrassment for Peggy and especially Maddie, and this makes Maddie also consider and come to the conclusion that she is never going to she's never going to act as a silent spectator for anybody, right? So this was possible only for Wanda's actions. What do you think? Of course, Wanda could quarrel, Wanda could do Wanda could also give it back, but how did she give back? That is very, very important, in a very sophisticated manner, I would say. And she gave it back in such a manner that raised her in a position which is way above all her classmates, right? So, of course, discrimination is a very important message that we get, because the damage was done and they were forced to leave the school, right? So, in the letter by Mr. By Petronsky, Mr. Petronsky, that makes it quite clear, right, guys? So, next concept, which is very important, guys. We will do it very soon, but before that, let me ask you, how are you liking the session? Are you guys enjoying? And do you want to join us and gain 100% marks and score gain 100% knowledge and score 100% marks? If yes, guys, then quickly visit the link below the description, in the description box and pin comment, and join us, guys. And now you will, if you join us, you will be directly, enrolled in the revision series, which is right now going in our regular classes, right? So definitely you will be enrolled directly there, Hannah, which is best for you, which is the most suitable for you. And later on, definitely you can change that according to your convenience. But right now, the moment you take this pro subscription, you will be directed and enrolled in the revision batch, which will be suitable for you guys. All right. So do not miss this wonderful opportunity, guys, because you can have unlimited live classes with high level quizzes. And this is how this regular classes is quite different from that of YouTube sessions, because you can have unlimited live classes, right? And compete with the students throughout the world. You can have also interactive replays with live quizzes and leaderboards. And premium downloadable content where you get the handwritten notes of the master teacher. So unavailability of notes, which is a major issue for all of you guys, we will be providing you notes after each and every session. So that is definitely sorted. Your problem is sorted, along with doubt solving. Now we have, as I always tell you, that we have a special team only assigned to your doubts, right? Catering to your doubts, right? So a special team is assigned for your special needs, guys. And of course we will have master teachers as well, but we have class teachers in our classes as well, especially for your doubts, guys. So now you can understand your doubts are not going to remain unsolved anymore. What do you think, guys? Isn't it very, very, very fruitful for you guys and useful for you? Plus, you have free 5,000 plus micro courses and crash courses for competitive exams, that too in less price. So, please do visit the link in the description box. Use the coupon code in SWREPRO, and this coupon code is going to give you. You can avail the subscription at only 2159 for a month and 5599 for 3 months, which would actually come at about 7,000 if you do not use the coupon code. So of course this is giving you a great discount, which I think you should not let go, and which actually comes down to 9 rupees per class for 3 months and 11 rupees per class for a month, which is cheaper than even a packet of Lays. So yes, इतना तो कर ही सकते हो, right? You have to do it, because right now, what is your priority? It is only your education. These 2 years, very crucial, guys. The guidance that you will get here, that is going to stay throughout, and it will be fruitful not only for your board exam but for your future as well. This is the preparatory stage for your future. You should build your base from now, these 2 years, right? So yes, guys, don't forget to visit the link and use the coupon code SWREPRO. And now we will talk about the justification of the title. So why do you think is the title named as 100 Dresses? What do we call, why 100 dresses? So of course there is a justification, because the story is based on Wanda's insistence that she's the owner of 100 dresses, right? Now Wanda's claim to 100 dresses arouses curiosity among the classmates, right? And because she of course wears the same faded blue dress every day, so how can she have 100 dresses? But she again claims that she has 100 dresses all lined up in the closet. However, Wanda is justified because she shows all her 100 dresses, she creates all her 100 dresses during the contest, and she also wins the competition, right? So therefore you can see the entire story revolves around the main subject, that is the 100 dresses, and the designer is definitely Wanda, right? So the story reaches a positive end when Wanda gives those dresses to the girls, right? So the plot is a part of the story revolves around 100 dresses. So the dresses, maybe they are not materialistic dresses, but they turn out to be beautiful designs created by Wanda. So definitely her artistic creation. It highlights the creative aspect of a simple Polish girl who was bullied, harassed, made fun of, but still she showed her exalted character and gifted those 100 dresses, to all those people who actually bullied her, right, guys? So that was about the significance of the title. Coming to the last concept that everybody needs to understand, very important, is the symbols, motifs, and allegory. So first of all, we will talk about, definitely here we will be talking about the symbols, right? That is what is important for all of you. So first is the seat at the back of the class. Okay, so remember that Wanda used to sit at the back of the class, right? So definitely she was used to occupy a corner which was usually used by the bullies. Okay, not bullies, I would say, but the boisterous boys, right, who made a lot of noise, है ना? But Wanda's character was quite different from those boys, but still she used to sit in that corner. Why? So that symbolizes her isolation. Okay, So that is the symbol of her isolation. And when we talk about dress, I had actually mentioned this a lot of time that the dress here is a very important symbol signifying the class hierarchy, or you can say the social hierarchy, right? So why am I saying this? Because see, Wanda wearing the same faded blue dress belongs to the poor family. Her friend Maddie and Peggy, they were two best friends. Peggy, she wore beautiful dresses, so that symbolized that she came from a well-to-do family, right? Maddie again wore the hand down dresses of the rich members, and which her mother used to alter. You see how this is completely based on social hierarchy, right? Now, bright colors is also something very very important, because you see bright colors, they are symbol of happiness, joy, right? And at the end, the bright colors, so Peggy and all, they always used to wear bright colors, yeah, right? And so therefore that was the symbol of joy and all. But Wanda, however, used to wear faded blue dress, right? And her drawing with beautiful bright colors, that was again a symbol of joy. And at the end, when Maddie got distracted by seeing those bright splashes, right? And she could not even see the drawing that she had made, the face that she had painted. So it served as a distraction, and she could not see the real truth behind that, right? And the last one is Gettysburg Address, which the teacher, Miss Mason, used to make them recite every day in the morning. Now this is a symbol of what? This is a symbol of the American ideals of freedom, equality, ideal of equality, which, however, they did not possess. Because you see, ironically, how Wanda was bullied because of, I mean, Wanda, the incident dealing with Wanda's bullies, that was quite contrary to this. Okay, guys, so with this, we will be ending the session, but don't forget to write your answers, post your answers for the homework question. What does Maddie think hard about, and what decision did she come to? Very important question, guys. Please do post your answers in the chat box, sorry, in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and please do share, like, and subscribe. I hope this was helpful for you. So I'll take your leave now. Bye bye. Take care.